All right, let's see what's going on here. All right, so here we are. For those joining us, this is a fence I built a couple years ago using a rail system that is not meant for this type of fence. It's meant for patio fences. The way we built this is basically we put some cement bases and then drilled all the fences in, the posts in, and a couple years, we're now what, year 3, and we can see that the fences have moved a lot, and everything looks a little crooked, and it's not great, not super solid. It's my fault. I should have sort of like done a little bit more research on the fence that I should have used, the posts that I should have done. Since then, sort of been much more experimental and sort of learning. I built this fence in the back. That's a lot of just leftover wood from other projects. And then on this side, I built this 6 foot fence with the sort of same method, and it's turned out to be much better than the first one. So now our mission going forward now is I need to fix that door. I need to just redo this whole thing. And so the project going forward is to dismantle this thing and then restart from scratch and build basically the same way I did it this way, with the spikes attached to the little shed avo here, and just keep it simple. And yeah, this is going to see how it turns out. All right, process is going fairly smooth. 2 spikes in. I think I'll be able to do the fence part all today, and the door will be tomorrow or next couple of days. Figure out what I'm doing with this. All right, I've torn down the main fence, but left the doors for now. Those will be the last things I do, because they're going to be higher, and I'm going to build an arc basically over it. And I already started to build a new fence, which is already looking way better than the old one, much straighter. All right, we're half done. Much better looking. This gap is still missing, ran out of wood, and then tomorrow we're gonna fix this situation. All right, day 2. We're a couple hours in, building the last part of the fence. Gate's been dismantled, and thankfully I can reuse the posts on both sides. Then there's gonna be one in the middle over here, and basically build an arc over here to make it much more solid than it was before, and only one door. This will be just basically another gate section over here. All the stuff's ready to go. And ladies and gentlemen, we are done. Door is done. Fence is done. Quite happy with the results. Maybe I'll paint it next. Oop. But a few finishing touches, like a lock system left. But that's it for this fence.